Welcome to our complete guide on using sound effects in Roblox. Today, we'll dive deep into making your game more engaging with the right audio choices. First, let's explore how to access the Roblox audio library. This is where you can find a treasure trove of sound effects. Next, choosing the right sound effects is crucial. Think about the mood of your game and what sounds will enhance the player experience. Now, let's get into the details of importing your own custom sound effects. Follow these easy steps to make your game unique. Adding sound effects to objects and characters is straightforward too. Let's see how to do it effectively. Don't forget to manage your sound properties. Adjust the volume, tweak the pitch, and decide if you want your sounds to loop. Now that you've added sounds, it's time to test them in your game environment. This is where you'll confirm everything works perfectly. Be cautious of common mistakes. Let's go over a few pitfalls that can trip up even experienced developers. Implementing best practices for sound effects will ensure your game runs smoothly. Here are tips to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore further learning resources to enhance your Roblox skills.